How to renew Wyoming LLC. To renew your Wyoming LLC, you need to file an annual report with the Wyoming Secretary of State every year. The report is due on the first day of the month in which your LLC was originally formed. For example, if your LLC was formed in June, your report is due on June 1st each year. To file the report online, go to the Wyoming Secretary of State's website and find the Annual Report Filing section. Click on Get Started to begin. You'll need to enter your Wyoming Filing ID number. If you don't know it, you can find it using the Business Entity search on the same website. Next, confirm or update your LLC's mailing and principal office addresses. Then, fill out the balance sheet by entering the value of your company's assets located in Wyoming. This information is used to calculate your filing fee. The minimum fee is $50, but if your Wyoming-based assets are worth more than $250,000, the fee is 0.02% of that value. If you're paying online, there's also a $2 convenience fee. After entering all the required information, review everything for accuracy, check the certification box, and enter your name and email. Then pay the filing fee. Once the report is filed, you'll receive a receipt and a printable copy of your annual report for your records. If you prefer, you can file by mail by printing the form from the Secretary of State's website. Also, if you use a registered agent service, they might handle the filing for you as part of their package. Filing your annual report on time is important to keep your LLC in good standing and avoid penalties or administrative dissolution.